This is online classroom training, PLC2, distance learning. It's online classroom is teacher prepare for distance learning with student. I design, I create about this training. I have two small groups for share our work and discuss question. And I have four tasks. About resource for this training, I have 16 module. I have 16 module about to watch and create and make step by step. Teacher who in training have to watch video and practice and send workshop about this. I have agenda from four tasks. I mean, I start this training. I plan start training in June 15 to 29 June, and have 15 module. They have step by step, and I have resource link to website and link to video. I have video 16 module. Who in training when watch about module 1 until module 16, I link to YouTube. I link to YouTube. I mean this. The same first step. First module. How to teacher. Oh no. Module 1. Yeah, this. I mean, I have resource step by step by YouTube. I upload in YouTube. They can watch here, and I have two group. First group I training already. I have content. 16 module, and 4 module is Zoom one time. It's meeting, and meeting one time about someone. If someone cannot create, cannot when they have question, we like and ask about this, about 4 module for one time. I mean, I use this idea for new for group 2. This group 2 start in June, but I design the same 16 module, and this okay, I design the same comment. Okay, this is all about training class tour for me. I get the same step by step from last group 1. This is group 2. I create new, and I contact with this website to have to make group 2 in June. Okay, this is my training class tour update for ECT 7 for me. Thank you.